Well, there are typically two main chapters that people or individuals are interested in when they're filing bankruptcy. Those would be Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. For most people, Chapter 7 is the most advantageous. And the reason for that is because in Chapter 7, you discharge your debts in full. You don't have any repayment program. When the bankruptcy is over with, those debts are completely gone. Whereas in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you have a repayment plan that can last between 3 to 5 years in which you have to repay a portion of your debt. So of course, Chapter 7 is the answer for most people. Not everyone can qualify for Chapter 7, of course. So for those people, Chapter 13 might be all they can do. Another case where a person might choose Chapter 13 over Chapter 7, even if they could qualify for 7, is if they have a second mortgage or home equity line, something like that, that is completely unsecured. So for example, if your home is worth $300,000 and you have a first mortgage that's $350,000 and you have a second that's $150,000, which is not completely uncommon these days, that $150,000, even though it is secured by your home, in reality, if that home were to be sold, that second wouldn't recover anything. It would all go to the first. In a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, there is a process in which that that second loan can be stripped away from your home and lumped in with your other unsecured debt, such as your credit cards, and added to your monthly repayment plan. So there may be a significant benefit for somebody who has a large second that's unsecured completely to file for Chapter 13 rather than Chapter 7. In Chapter 7, you're stuck with that. If you want to keep your house, you must keep the first and second and however many other loans that you have.